I'm ready. Oh, I've asked for bicep curls. Oh, we've got the same shorts on. You're gonna do it, Jack, or?
As many as you can do.
Oh, that's like 3, 2, 3. Jack, shut up. Oh! Woo! I kind of just want to hit the wall so I can piss Dougie off. Nah, no one can win. Oh. You know who they call me? Travis. Travis Head.
Keep walking, mate.
To be fair, Jack also partied last night and he's here, so yeah, especially at the school canteen. The amount of money I spend there. Brad, what's this? Slay the day. Slay the day. Let's go.
Not you.
He's a little shit. Yeah, he's not well. Oh, oh. So I normally sing under my breath. Ladies and gentlemen, I not get tomorrow. Nothing can stop me. Oh, we don't have the same shorts on. Yours is like a navy blue. Bang! Oh, wow. Wow. They're already on camera, but I'll just showcase them even more. Could you make me run any further? I'm puffed now, Sam. What are you doing? What's a good weight for these?
Can you sing into that?
Oh yeah, you're a good singer.
Thanks.
I didn't realise I stalked your TikTok the other day. I'm great, thanks. He's killing me, Sam. Shut up, Jack. You're not funny. Who else should have Dougie as their wallpaper? Sam, are you on the music today? Can you change this song?
That's right, you're 22, you're young, that's fair.
Nah, who's 18? Who's 18? You ready for this serve? Check, Jack. Oh.